What's up? It's the Watermelon King, and today we got the season 2 tower skin which we showed last video, and then also the emote. But now we're gonna be getting this tier 35 reward, which gives me epic. One of these things like the epic. I don't need Gallery Prince, no X-Ball, no Rage. Gone, bro. Yeah, I can use that. And now we got this lightning chest, but you get 7 strikes. And I might guess any dog, Mega Knight, Electro Wizard. Yeah. That'll be the video. Like, share, subscribe, and let's see what my clan wants to. There you go. How much? Ooh, and I got with my guards to level. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna. Upgraded guards. Roto. This deck is coming along well. How much is my Mega Knight? My tornado. Yeah, I guess that'll be the video. Like, ooh, I'm gonna get gold's running low. Like, share, and subscribe, and peace.